Best Gifts for Dad 2026. Finding the best gifts for Dad is always a struggle. I ended up buying the top 5 options on the market to test them out myself, so you don't have to waste your time or money guessing. If you want something he'll actually use, here's what I honestly found. Product number 1. Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer Digital. When I first pulled this out of the box, it felt incredibly sturdy in my hand, not flimsy like the plastic ones you usually find at the grocery store. I fired up the grill to see how it handled the thick ribeye. The probe flips out smoothly, and the digital screen is super bright, making it incredibly easy to read, even with the smoke in my face. It locked onto the internal temp in just a couple of seconds, which meant I wasn't burning my knuckles holding it over the hot grates. I actually washed it right under the tap afterward without any water getting inside at all. If your dad spends every weekend out on the patio flipping burgers or smoking briskets, this is the foolproof choice. Speaking of recovering from a long day over the grill, let's look at something to help him relax. Product number 2, Toloco Massage Gun. Picking this up, I noticed right away it has a really nice weight to it. The black matte finish gives it a premium look, and the handle grip doesn't slip when your hands get sweaty. I took this for a spin after a heavy leg day. Turning it on, I was honestly surprised by how quiet that brushless motor is. I could actually watch TV without turning the volume up. It comes with 10 different massage heads, but I spend most of my time using the round one on my calves. It digs deep without stalling out when you press hard into the muscle. The battery also easily lasted me through a whole week of daily use on a single charge. If he constantly complains about a stiff back or sore shoulders, this is a lifesaver. When he eventually leaves the house feeling refreshed, his phone better be ready too. Product number 3, Listen Retractable Car Charger. Snapping this into the 12-volt port of my car, I loved how flush and secure it sat. The retractable cords feel remarkably smooth when you pull them out, and they zip right back into place without snagging. I plugged my phone in while running errands, and the 84-watt fast charging is entirely legit. I watched my battery jump significantly in just a 20-minute drive. Having a built-in USB-C cable means there are no messy wires tangled around my cup holders anymore, making the center console look incredibly clean. I tested it with both an iPhone and a Samsung, and it handed out high-speed power to both without the charger getting hot. For the guy who practically lives out of his truck or commutes daily, this keeps his setup completely organized. Back at home, maybe he prefers a slightly different approach to cooking his dinners. Product number 4, 0.5-second Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Holding this bright red thermometer, I instantly like the sleek, lightweight profile. It is very easy to grip and never feels bulky in your pocket while walking around the kitchen. I wanted to see if that half-second read time was true, so I tested it on some baking chicken. As soon as the needle pierced the meat, the temperature flashed onto the screen instantly. There is zero lag, which is incredibly helpful when you have the oven door open and heat is escaping. The precision is dead on, too. I checked it against boiling water, and it nailed the reading flawlessly. The magnet on the back is strong enough to stick firmly onto the fridge door. If your dad is the impatient type who wants lightning-fast results in the kitchen, this fits the bill perfectly. Even if he avoids cooking, you still want him comfortable during the hot summer. Product number 5, Portable Neck Fan. Dropping this around my neck, I noticed it rests comfortably without pinching my skin or feeling heavy. The bladeless design means my hair never got caught, and the smooth black plastic wipes down easily. I wore this outside while doing some yard work in the afternoon heat. The 360-degree cooling actually works. It blows a steady breeze right up your neck and around your face. On the lowest speed, it is shockingly quiet. I could easily have a conversation without hearing a loud motor buzzing in my ears. Cranking it to the highest of the 3 speeds gave me instant relief from the sweat. The 4,000 mAh battery lasted roughly 5 hours on high before needing a quick USB recharge. Anyone who mows the lawn, goes fishing, or just hates the summer heat will honestly wear this every single day. Let's wrap all of this up right now. Finding the best gifts for Dad doesn't have to be stressful. I've put links to all these products down in the description so you can check the current prices. Let me know which one you're picking up, and I'll catch you in the next review.